Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English learning podcast. I'm Anna.
Hi, friends. I'm David. Nice to meet you.
Today, let's talk about family in English.
Yes, we will practice easy English, learn simple family words, and speak together.
This lesson is perfect for beginners, A1 level.
Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.
Your support helps us make more easy and fun English lessons.
Thank you so much. Let's start.
David, what is family?
Good question. Family is the people we love and live with.
Yes, family can be mother, father, sister, brother, and more.
Let's learn some easy family words.
Repeat after me. Mother.
Mother,
Good job. Father.
father,
Nice. Sister.
sister,
Great. Brother.
brother,
Excellent. Parents.
parents.
Very good. Now let's use them in simple sentences.
I love my family.
My mother is kind.
My father works hard.
I have one sister.
I have one brother.
Great job. Friends, repeat with us.
I love my family.
My mother is kind.
My father works hard.
Excellent. You are doing very well. David, tell me about your family.
Sure, I have a small family.
Oh, nice. Who is in your family?
I have a mother, a father, and one sister.
That's lovely. What does your mother do?
My mother is a teacher. She teaches English.
Wow, that's great. My mother is a cook. She makes delicious food.
Yummy. What about your father?
My father is a driver. He drives a bus.
Nice. Friends, you can say, my father is a, my mother is a.
Great question. What do your parents do?
Anna, do you eat breakfast with your family?
Yes, I eat breakfast with my family every morning.
That's great. I eat dinner with my family every evening.
Family time is very important.
Yes, we talk, eat, and laugh together.
Friends, repeat. I eat with my family.
I talk with my family.
I love my family.
Wonderful. Good job.
Let's practice some easy family phrases.
Repeat after us.
This is my mother.
This is my father.
I have 2 brothers.
I have one sister.
We are a happy family.
Excellent work. Keep practicing every day.
Let's review today's key words.
Mother, father, sister, brother, parents, family.
Great job, everyone! You learned real English conversation about family.
You are doing amazing. Keep going.
Now, our community question.
Who is in your family?
Write your answer in the comments.
We love reading your answers.
Thanks for learning English with us.
Thank you, everyone.
Like the video, leave a comment, subscribe for daily English practice.
See you next time.
Bye-bye. Keep practicing English every day.